Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing gameplay so the menu can load immediately. Make sure your input device is connected and responsive. On PC, press ESC, while on PlayStation or Xbox, press the menu or options button. This acts as the initial trigger. Once the game stops, wait a beat for the interface to appear. The system needs a moment to populate player stats and map tiles. If the menu doesn't show, try tapping again instead of holding, because a brief press reliably opens the pause overlay. Once the pause menu is visible, navigate between the top tabs using your D-pad, arrow keys, or mouse cursor. This lets you access map, online, or settings quickly. Make sure to highlight a tab and press it on controller or enter on keyboard to enter a submenu where options like inventory, player list, and job browser live. If you need the map specifically, select map, then zoom with the triggers or scroll wheel to choose a waypoint. Remember why. Proper navigation gives control without exiting. To finish, choose resume to return to the action, or pick quit if you need to exit to story or desktop. Make sure any settings changes are applied before leaving the menu so they persist. Once done, the menu will dismiss and you'll be back in control. If you set a waypoint, the GPS will guide you automatically. If the menu becomes unresponsive, press the button again. Try Alt plus Tab or the console home, then reload the session. This simple reset often fixes frozen menus quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.